Chapter 3 of the Mesnevi and the Acts of the Adepts. Mevlana Jalaluddin Muhammad, the revered mystery of God upon earth. Jalaluddin is related to have been born at Balkh on the 6th of Rabiul Awal, third month of Al-Hijra 604, or the 29th of September 1207 of the Common Era. When 5 years old, he used at times to become extremely uneasy and restless, so much that his attendants used to take him into the midst of themselves. The cause of these perturbations was that spiritual forms and shapes of the absent, invisible world would arise before his sight, that is, angelic messengers, righteous jinn, and saintly men, the concealed ones of the bowers of the true one, spiritual spouses of God. Well, one knows that's metaphorical, right? Used to appear before him in bodily shape exactly as the cherubim and seraphim used to show themselves to the holy apostle of God, Muhammad, in the earlier days before his call to the prophetic office, as Gabriel appeared to Mary, and as the 4 angels were seen by Abraham and Lot, as well as others to other prophets. His father, Bahauddin Velid, the Sultanu Ulema, used on these occasions to coax and soothe him by saying, "These are the occult existences. They come to present themselves before you, to offer unto you gifts and presents from the invisible world." These ecstasies and transports of his began to be publicly known and talked about, and the affectionately honorific title of Kuda Vengar, by which he is so often mentioned, was conferred upon him at this time by his father. He used to address him and speak of him by this title as my lord, spiritual master, not our somebody in charge of some affairs, but not to the extent that you say Maulana with God, right? But the confusion has led people that they don't, to the point where they don't want to use